Today we are going to make a budget-friendly Christmas craft with the cardboard boxes. Sometimes we think that this is useless and we throw, but we can create many things from the trash also. So I have drew the few things on the cardboard which I want to create the craft out of it, and I have cut it according to the design and then color it with the color. I used here curly color, and I'm adding the little details, skipping some parts of this craft. Stay tuned till the end. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and you can hit the notification button to get more updates about new videos. So this is the last part. We are decorating the ornaments for the Christmas tree, and homemade DIY Christmas ornaments are ready to hang on the Christmas tree. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next.